Hey guys, welcome to another one. Guess what we're doing today? Home improvements. That's right, I knocked the fucking window out of the bathroom. So we're going to probably redo all of these windows because they're all fuckied.
Bang!
Can you fuck off? Don't leave that rubbish there either. Yeah, so we're going to put the glass in the window. We might even try and fix it, but I don't know, we don't have any paint to paint it with, and it's a shitty day to paint with, so we're not going to paint anyway. We're just going to clean it up, putty it, put it in there, call it a day.
Oh, it's
fucking
had a
mint.
baby! Oh, it's
Fucking
had a
mint.
baby! Oh, it's
Fucking
had a
mint.
baby! Oh, it's
Fucking
had a
mint.
baby!
Scrape out your putty, like this. Just sort of, the whole window frame's not very strong, it's pretty old. The old log cabin's been around for a few years. Just trying to get it all out. Just drive it in, there we go. Yeah, that's better. Now, if you can get the old little tags out, by all means do it. Actually, what I want to do is, hang on, I'm going to get a pair of pliers. Now I've got the pliers. I'm going to pull out your little tag, just like that. Obviously now they don't use these types of tags. You've got these ones. Glazier's pins, they're called Glazier's pins. Just try and fucking find these when no fucker in Bunnings knows what the fuck they're talking about. Glazier's pins, or push points, Glazier's points. Fucking these. There, look. Glazier's points, pins, points, fucking. And then just continue for a bit. Oh, the rain's rotten. Oh dear. Something gonna get rotten. Rain. Really? Yeah. I fucking. He's better than fucking pan off really. Oh, put it in a hole. Oh. Very, very good. Pretty much just scratch the shit out. Want to get your putty, you just kind of want to knead it in your hands a little bit and try and warm it up. All we gotta do is you gotta make some noodles, but I think I might have a little bit too much here to make noodles with. You just gotta kind of roll it a bit, get a bit of a noodle going on. We got a bit too much of a noodle, so we might just half that just for now. Now we've got a little bit. We don't need to run a big thick bead per se, we just need to get a bit of a base foundry so I can push our window into place, and then we can put our glazing screws on. So I'm just going to fist fuck with this for a bit because I don't really know what I'm doing properly. You want to get it pretty well even across the board. Oh wow, I suck so hard at this. This kind of, maybe we just make it even smaller. Again, there we go. Now we can work out little noodles. Just want to place it into the window frame like that. I think. Like that. Oh, this isn't working. Why isn't it sticking? Oh my fucking god. This is so shit. So you just got to try and fight with the putty. I think you've just kind of got to like apply it like, I don't know why this isn't sticking. Probably because the whole fucking window frame's full of dust. But it's just not very good. It made it look so much easier than what I thought it would be. Maybe we're just supposed to put a heap of noodles around the window and just push the window into place. That'd make more sense, because this just isn't sticking at all. All right, so we're gonna come up with another idea. I'll be back. All right, so figured out how to do it properly.
Yep.
Well, I don't know if it's properly, but I just figured out how to do it. It sticks. Take a pinch of your putty and just run your finger along the edge there like that.
Yeah.
Push it in and roll it along a bit. Take another bit, push it in, roll your finger along a bit, just like that. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. Just run that up there like that. Now we've got a system. You just work the way up. Roll in your hands, get the heat back into it again, because you got to keep this shit warm apparently, according to one of the things I was reading. Just roll it in your hands like so. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know if you can even see the window.
Yeah, no
Just-
worries. Yeah.
Just like that. Just like that.
Yeah.
Next thing you want to do is you want to get your window. You're just going to place it in
Yeah.
and just push it in each corner,
Yeah.
so all the
People like that, and I was like,
putty comes around the outsides, creates a bit of a border, and you can see where the glass contacts the putty, and there's no gaps. If there's gaps, then there's leaks. It's like up there. Right, so now we get our little screws, our pins.
Yeah.
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 Who doesn't use Ziploc bags these days? Great, I can't get... Man's bag.
Cover up! What are you doing?
Mickey's over there on the phone, as you can hear in the background. Grab a handful of these, don't know how many I'm going to need to use. You're supposed to use a screwdriver to get these on or in with. We're just gonna, what you gotta do is you gotta go like this, push them down against the window like so. We're just gonna use the pliers and we're just gonna push it down. Oh wow, that didn't work. It worked a little bit. I might just use me knife. It's only just to support the window, so they don't have to be
That's why I like Mitch at your
too well in there. I'm gonna get these out of my hand so I can.
That's why I like Mitch at your camp at Cattleman's. I felt bad. I'm like, I didn't want to leave.
There we go. They're not quite. And just push them against the window because obviously I haven't done it properly. What you can do is for easy storage is just use your mouth and just sort of hold them in your mouth like so. When you need one, there you go. And we're just going to finish these off. In place. Just like that. Now that window's in there nice and good, I'm going to get another handful of putty, go around the outsides. Best way to get the putty out is your putty knife. Just carve a big heap out. Oh, that's not really a big heap, but carve a big heap out. Any excess you've got, you can obviously just put it back in there. Excess, not access. Excess. Any excess you have, you can just put it back in there. Get the oil in through the... This has still got a seal on it, obviously. Well, not a seal, but like a, I suppose, a dry layer. As you can see, it's still pretty wet. This is probably what it's supposed to be like. The putty I got was from the top. This stuff's sort of halfway down. So it's probably going to seal a little bit better than what we've used, but I don't know much about putty really. This is my first time doing anything in regards to glazing, let alone bloody window glazing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start in the corner, and we're just going to place a putty in there, I suppose. Don't know about this noodle technique, but we got the Cosmat. We got the log cabin technique. Like that, just run your fingers along there like that bad boy. Right there. Today, hurrah! Today, we're gonna make the window stop leaking. Put it back into place. Yeah, real good like. Get your little finger and just sort of push it in there real good like. Yes, yes. Wow, fuck me. You're obviously doing something right if it looks like shit. I really should consult Doug. He'd know what to do. Awesome. Just like that.
Just like that.
You made that look easy.
Done it for a long time.
I reckon. Awesome work. And then I've just got to go on the inside and trim off the...
You just run your knife around and just hold it around like that and go around like that.
Yep. Scrape the rest of it
I
off.
won't do them one day.
Yeah, I was going to do that today, but look at...
Just knock it out where it's loose, and you don't cut it out where it's not loose.
Awesome.
It's a bit rough, but...
Better than nothing.
I think the putty's a little bit firm. It's a bit cold now.
Yeah.
That's all.
Not the best day to do it, is it?
That's fine.
Awesome. Look at that.
No worries.
Lovely.